Unboxing the Rico Pro. Unbox the Rico Pro by removing the lid off the pallet box. Once you remove the lid, you will find a stand which you can set aside. You will find a carton box. Open the box and you will find the Rico Pro machine inside the box. Be sure to lift the machine with the handle provided and support its weight evenly to avoid damaging it. With the help of a partner, lift the machine and place it aside. Cut open the bubble wrap with a knife or a cutter. Now, fix the stand and place the machine on the same. Open the machine lid and following are the components used in the Rico Pro machine: barrel, plate, lifting handle, floating ring, user manual, and accessories like easer pipe, T-connector, faucet for cleaning, etc. Make sure to read the user manual thoroughly. Now, the Rico Pro machine is unboxed and ready for you to start the installation. Once the Rico Pro machine is out of the box, take a moment to inspect for any visible damage. If you notice any dents, scratches or other damage, contact the manufacturer or the retailer immediately. Keys on the Rico Pro. Our Rico Pro has 4 main keys. They are: stop button. In case the process needs to be stopped in the mid of the cooking process, then this button can be used. Home button. When home button is pressed, the display shows the menu page where auto cooking option can be selected. OK button. To start the process and to scroll to a particular option. Back button, used to go back to the previous page. Now that the Rico Pro machine is unwrapped, it's time for the installation process. Firstly, inspect the barrel and the float ring for any dents. Fix the faucet, water input pipe and the drain pipe at its particular connectors provided on the machine. Locate the power cord and plug it into a nearby outlet. The machine requires single-phase 240 volt 16 amperes with 3.5 kW power. Be sure to use a grounded outlet to avoid overloading the circuit. Earthing to be between earth and neutral below 5 volt alternating current. Once the Rico Pro is switched on, the following contents will appear on the screen: cooking, warming, drain out, recipe count, and machine settings. Adjust the faucet pressure by spraying inside the machine. Drain out the water by selecting the option given on the display. Navigate to machine settings and provide the password and select any of the displayed menu and set the required parameters for water calibration. If required data for recipe settings are available, then go for recipe settings and feed the data, or else you can always add it with the help of a chef. Start making your rice by selecting the particular menu in the cooking mode. Follow the instructions as displayed. Let us now explore the Rico Pro settings. Let's dive right into the machine's settings tutorial. Absorption method. This method is used for cooking the rice where soaking and boiling parameters are fed. Float ring is not used in this process. Here, the water quantity and the cooking time consumed will be very less. Drain method. This method is used for cooking the rice along with steaming where soaking, boiling and steaming parameters can be used. Make sure the float ring is used in this process. Steaming method. This method is used only for the steaming purpose. Make sure the float ring is used in this process. And an advantage to use this method is that water won't drain and the same water continues for steaming. Boiling method. This method is used for boiling with preheat parameters. Outer ring is not used in this process. BCR method. This method is used for boiling, cooking and rinse where different dishes like noodles, pasta, egg, etc. can be cooked.